celebration, and to give his opening remarks, may we invite the leadership at the helm of this entire project, our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Jose S. Pujalte Jr.
Guests, beginning with Secretary Arbosa, Yusek Bravo, Dr. Asek Valencia, Dr. Belmonte, representative of Mayor Belmonte, MCCs who are here, our doctors. Good morning. This is a momentous occasion for our hospital, celebrating 80 years, and today we open our orthopedic Apex building. As you know, we were founded in 1945 in the ruins of the Siege of Manila, and we were originally located in Mandaluyong together with the then National Psychopathic Center or Hospital. We moved here in 1963, and as my favorite saying is, we grow from strength to strength, and today we open a new building. Hopefully in 2 years we will open a new one, the Rehab Apex building. But for now, let us enjoy and rejoice in opening the Ortho Apex building. Good morning.
He's a graduate of the UP College of Medicine. He has extensive experience in trauma surgery and disaster management. In fact, he was a pioneer in the emergency medicine residency program here in the Philippines and started a trauma fellowship in PGH. His first 100 days on ensuring access to healthcare through the landmark BUCAS program of the DOH. Without further ado, please give a warm welcome to our guest of honor, the Honorable Secretary Teodoro Ted Herbosa.
Even up to today, Orthopedic Center continues to be the single orthopedic center in the Philippines. Meron na tayong mga institutes for heart sa ibang lugar na nakakagawa. Pero sa orthopedics, Philippine Orthopedic Center remains to be the sole specialty center. Siya yung, doon sa 5 specialty center, siya yung hindi corporate run. So which makes it a very challenging thing. The nice thing about the corporate run specialty centers is that they are run through a governing board and it's run like a private hospital wherein there is revenue. Whereas Philippine Orthopedic thrives out of the bureaucracy of DPM budgeting, government budgeting system na alam nyo, mas mahirap. Actually, it's so much harder kasi nga, it's dependent on what government will appropriate for you. Even if you requested marami kang gustong budget, hindi maibigay. Actually, increased by 20% across the board, all the BOH hospitals. So, malaki talaga ang support ng ating President to healthcare, and he really means improving the healthcare of this country. This Apex building stands as a symbol of progress, innovation, and hope. This facility is designed to provide cutting-edge services, a holistic approach to patient care. It will serve as a hub for medical excellence and recovery, offering specialized care to those who need it. Each floor has been thoughtfully designed to accommodate specialized services. The second floor includes centers for advanced orthopedic care, such as wound care, microvascular and hand reconstruction, spine and disease, MSK tumor, and pediatric orthopedics. These centers ensure that patients will receive the highest level of care in one of the country's most modern facilities, which reminds people to digitize. And with that, we're also trying to actually understand the #1 consoles for all the hospitals. We will have data, and we can use command center, or we can use data analytics and artificial intelligence to actually help us and assist us to be more efficient. Kasi building newer hospitals is harder, but making our systems efficient to serve more should be our goal.